Hello everyone, I'm Pierce Gabriel Bito. Today we're going to explore a topic that has completely transformed the way businesses operate and connect with customers. So, what are e-channels? E-channels or electronic channels are digital platforms that companies use to communicate with customers, manage transactions, and offer services. They include websites, social media platforms, mobile apps, email, and even live chat options. Why are these channels so important? Simply put, e-channels allow businesses to connect with customers anytime and anywhere, providing greater accessibility, convenience, and personalization than ever before. Imagine a retail's brand website or mobile app homepage showing products and shopping options. This is an example of an e-channel where a customer can browse, purchase, and even receive support. Why e-channels are important? Now let's dive into why e-channels have become essential for businesses today. Accessibility and convenience. One of the biggest advantages of e-channels is their accessibility. Unlike physical stores, which have limited hours, e-channels are available 24/7. This means customers can engage with branch on their own schedules, whether it's shopping at midnight or contacting customer service during off hours. E-channels also remove geographic barriers, allowing brands to reach a global audience without the need for physical location in multiple countries. Cost efficiency for businesses, e-channels are often much more cost effective. Maintaining a physical store requires rent, utilities, and staff, but e-channels allow companies to reduce these expenses. For example, a brand can handle customer inquiries with automated chatbots instead of a large of customer service team, cutting down labor costs and enhancing efficiency. Data collection and analytics. Data is one of the most valuable assets for companies today, and e-channels make it possible to collect this data seamlessly. Every interaction with a customer generates data points, preferences, browsing habits, purchase history, and more. This data can be analyzed to identify trends, optimize product offerings, and create target marketing campaigns that are tailored to specific audiences. It also allows companies to personalize customer experiences by recommending products or services based on the past behaviors. To illustrate this, let's look at a graph that shows the rapid growth in online shopping over recent years. As you can see, more and more people are choosing e-channels as their primary way to shop. Types of e-channels. There are several types of e-channels that businesses use to connect with their customers, each offering unique benefits. Let's start with websites and mobile apps. These are often the primary platforms where customers browse products, make purchases, and access support. Websites are usually designed to be easy to navigate with search functions, product categories, and payment options. Mobile apps are optimized for smartphone users, providing a streamlined experience on smaller screens. Most companies now have both desktop and mobile friendly versions to reach customers wherever they are. Next, we have social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Social media allows brands to engage directly with their customers by sharing content, responding to comments, and even hosting live events. Through these interactions, companies can build a loyal following, strengthen their brand presence, and encourage customer engagement. Social media also enables paid advertising, allowing brands to target specific demographics based on interests, location, and online behaviors. Email is another powerful e-channel. Company use email newsletter to share updates, promotions, and personalized offers with customers. Unlike social media, which reaches a broad audience, email marketing targets specific customers directly in their box. Email is also more personal as it can be tailored to each individual's preferences and purchasing history, creating a one-to-one relationship between the brand and the customer. Live chat and chatbots have become increasingly popular on website and mobile apps. These tools provide instant responses to customer questions, making it easier for customers to get quick help. Chatbots are automated, often using artificial intelligence to answer common questions, while live chat usually involves a human representative. These tools improve customer satisfaction by offering immediate assistance, reducing wait times, and allowing customers to resolve issues quickly. Lastly, e-commerce platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Shopify allow businesses to sell products online. These platforms offers tools for managing orders, handling secure payments, and providing customer service all in one place. E-commerce platforms are particularly useful for small businesses which can use them to reach a larger audience without the need to develop their own e-commerce site. Each type of e-channel plays a unique role in helping businesses reach and serve their customers. So, what are the key benefits of e-channels for businesses? E-channels allows businesses to create a seamless and personalized experience for each customer, from the start interaction to the final purchase. Personalization makes customers feel valued, leading to increased satisfaction and loyalty. For instance, if a customer frequently buys sports gear, the e-channel might show them related products or exclusive offers in that category. With e-channels, businesses are no longer limited to local customers. They can reach customers all over the world, significantly expanding their potential market. This broader reach often translates to higher sales as more people have access to the brand's product and services. Automation is another major benefit from order processing to customer inquiries. E-channels make it possible to handle tasks quickly and with fewer resources by using automated chatbots, self-service option, and digital payment systems. Businesses can reduce operational costs. Let's look at a flowchart that illustrates a typical customer journey through an e-channel, from browsing products to making a purchase and receiving customer support. This demonstrates how e-channels makes each step easy and efficient, leading to a smoother overall experience. While e-channels offer substantial benefits, they also come with challenges that businesses need to consider. One of the biggest concerns with e-channels is data privacy and security. Handling customer data, especially sensitive information like payment details, requires strict cybersecurity measures. Any breach of this data can damage customer trust and result in legal penalties. Businesses need to invest in secure data storage, encryption, and regular audits to ensure customer information is protected. Consistency across channels. Another challenge is maintaining a consistent experience across all e-channels. Customers expect uniformity, meaning they want the same level of service, branding, and functionality regardless of the platform they're using. This can be difficult when managing multiple channels, each with different technical requirements and customer expectations. Brands needs to ensure that every e-channel reflects their values and provides a cohesive experience. While e-channels are increasingly popular, some customer groups, particularly older demographics, may be less comfortable using digital platforms. It's essential for businesses to consider the varying comfort levels of their audience and potentially offer support or alternative option to accommodate all users. This might include offering tutorials on how to use digital tools or maintaining a phone support line for those who prefer it. For instance, here's an image showing a cybersecurity alert on a mobile device. It emphasizes the importance of securing digital interaction to protect customer data and maintain trust. Thank you all for watching. I hope this presentation has given you a better understanding of e-channels and their significant impact on the modern business landscape. Until next time.